What's happening to Earth? Why is it doing the moonwalk? Scientists are still not completely sure, but they believe Earth's core, that ball of iron and nickel the size of the moon, started to slow down in 2010 and might even have reversed its spin. One hypothesis suggests this could be due to fluctuations in the movement of the liquid metal at the Earth's center. To better understand, imagine a pot of boiling soup. Heat makes the liquid rise and fall, creating bubbles and currents. Something similar happens at the center of the Earth. We have an outer core made of liquid metal that moves and creates currents just like the hot soup. These currents in the outer core are important because they help create Earth's magnetic field, like a giant invisible magnet that protects us from particles in space. If these currents of liquid metal change, moving faster, slower, or in different directions, they could affect how the solid core at the very center spins and consequently how the entire Earth spins. It's like the soup suddenly moving slower or faster, causing the whole pot to spin differently. And how did scientists discover this? By analyzing the speed of seismic waves from earthquakes, comparing historical records, and even using GPS satellites to detect variations. Okay, so the Earth is doing the moonwalk, but what does that mean for us? For now, don't panic. These changes are slow and we're not going to feel the day getting longer or shorter overnight. But in the long term, it could influence bigger things like satellite communications, GPS systems, and even the northern lights. And you? What would you do if your GPS went crazy and started taking you to strange places? Would you go on an adventure or go back to old school maps?